Hello, how are you today, everyone? In this such a beautiful night, I'm going to give you the answer for this interesting question about something that happened during Great Depression. And here is a question about that. Which annual sporting event was created during the Great Depression? Well, I give you a list of the option, and here is the list of the option. The very first option is Rose Bowl. The second option is Indianapolis 500. The third option is Kentucky Derby, and the very last option is MLB All-Star Game. Now I'll give you the correct answer for the question, but before that, I hope you can share with me the answer that you think is the correct one. And yeah, you should put it in a comment box, and I hope we have the same answer. And I'll give you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is MLB All-Star Game, and here is a bit more explanation. Here is the reason why MLB All-Star Game is the correct answer. The annual sporting event created during the Great Depression is MLB All-Star Game, while the Rose Bowl, Indianapolis 500, and Kentucky Derby are all long-standing and significant sporting events with their own histories and traditions. The MLB All-Star Game stands out as the event inaugurated during the challenging period of the Great Depression, conceived in 1933 as a one-time event to boost interest and attendance in baseball. The MLB All-Star Game quickly became a celebrated annual tradition that showcases the best play from the American League and the National League. So that is correct answer for the question MLB All-Star Game. That's the correct answer.
Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.